Okay, y'all, so I want y'all to come with me to get a facial. Now, y'all know I believe in black femininity and luxury. And honestly and truthfully, I don't feel like things like facials and getting your nails done, I mean, they can be luxury experiences, but honestly, they should really just be part of your everyday kikis. And you should budget them into your life so that you always feel good and look good. So I am with my esthetician, Artistry by Adrienne, and I will link her below. But first, we start off with a steam to get them beautiful pores of mine open. And then we're going to pre-cleanse. So that's what she's doing now. She's pre-cleansing me and cleansing to remove any impurities, like from lotion that I may have had on or makeup before the in-depth skin analysis and facial treatment, And shout out to her for sending me these notes because, baby, I do not know, okay? My eyes is closed. I don't know what she doing. But I know I be together and I be beautiful at the end of my kikis. So, that's what she's doing now. She's giving me a pre-cleanse and a cleanse and rubbing me down. And before y'all come for my girl, she normally do have gloves on, But, I trust her and her hands are super clean. So don't be coming for her in the comments, okay? All right, get yourselves together because she always do have gloves on. But, we close and we a kiki and she really wants to get into my shenanigans, you know what I'm saying? And she felt like the gloves was holding her back. And this is also, too, why you notice a lot of estheticians don't have on long nails because they can't be carrying that dirt up under their fingers and stuff. So don't be trying to come for the girls like they ain't got no money. They be working, so they can't have them long nails. So as you can see, she is giving me a real good cleanse, getting into that. And y'all, I always have breakouts on my chin. Them things be horrible. And they always hurt so bad. I always get breakouts on my chin and in the crevices of my nose, y'all. And the nose bumps hurt the worst. They be so tiny and they hurt the worst. It's crazy. Now, I will tell y'all that normally I be asleep during my facial. So we was recording. So we was talking and all of this other stuff. But normally I be knocked out, honey. Adrienne be putting me to bed. Rock you back to sleep, girl. So she is cleansing. Rub me down, baby. Rub me down. Honey, skin already looking better. Skin already looking scrumptiddlyumptious. So then what we gonna do next is she starts using the brush. That's the exfoliation, which makes the skin smoother, My skin is really smooth. I'm really blessed with really smooth skin, but this helps, you know what I'm saying? And the product also helps penetrate by unblocking the surface and promote stimulation, which increases the cell turnover rate in your skin, honey. Yes, we're getting really, really scientifical, okay? We're chemists, okay, at Artistry by Adrienne, okay? This is not your regular, degular esthetician. She's giving you all the keys. And I really like how she's really thorough. She makes sure she don't miss no spots on my face because those of us that are in the lighter tone, I don't necessarily consider myself light skin. I would say I'm more like a caramel mocha kiki. But if your skin is a little on the fair side or towards the fair side, hyperpigmentation can be really problematic for you. So you need these facials. You need to be going and taking care of yourself. You need to make sure you budget this in for you because don't get me wrong, there's nothing wrong with a good beat, but you don't want to have to waste a bunch of money on products, because you have to layer it and throw it all up on your face because your skin is not doing what you need it to do. Your skin is not in a place where you can provide yourself proper skincare. So, not provide yourself proper skincare, but, it's not in a place where the makeup can lay how it needs to lay. You don't want to have to throw all that makeup on your face because you're suffering from bad skin. So everything is about foundation, which is why I don't really think getting facials is a luxury. It's really part of your maintenance. So as you can see here, she's putting a warm towel on my face, you know, to help the product set in, baby. And then she's going to remove the product off of my face with a warm towel, which helps soften the follicles and promotes more effective cleansing and prepares my skin for my extractions, honey. Now, usually I'm a G. Usually I don't be acting up, but you know, them extractions be hurting. Anybody that tell you different be lying. Y'all be lying. Especially when you have, like, for some reason, I always break out on my chin, like I was saying earlier. And them things be deep. They be rooted. They be in there. So she be having to get in there. And they be hurting a little bit. So what she's doing now is she's placing the eye patches, you know, so she can get ready to do my extractions, you know. So she's placing them on there to help prep my skin, you know, and make sure I don't open up my eyes and be doing too much while she's doing these extractions, honey. And then, of course, she's prepping my skin before she actually extracts them. This is all about cleanliness. YouTube cannot teach you everything. Sometimes you do have to go to school, you know, and one thing schools are really good at is teaching you how to be sanitary. So she's going in with my extractions, y'all, and y'all, ooh. I don't know why my breakouts be so deep rooted. They be like, girl, we're not going nowhere. But it's okay because Artistry by Adrienne be getting the kikis. And I love this too. The thing that a lot of estheticians don't do well. You know, and I've been around the block a few times. I mean, I don't get around like that. But, you know, I've been around the block a few kikis. And what I will say is a lot of estheticians don't take the time to extract your ears. But she does. Because believe it or not, you can break out in your ears. You can have bumps in your ears. Blackheads, whiteheads. You know, there are things to extract in your ears. And she does get my ears for me. Because you know, especially with us wearing AirPods and stuff now. And I know y'all don't be cleaning y'all AirPods like how y'all supposed to. You're supposed to clean them every day because you have wax that builds up in your ear every day. And I know a bunch of y'all don't do that. Y'all just look at them, see if they clean. And if they look all right, you go ahead and put them back in your ear. But you're actually supposed to be sanitizing them every day. And also to you people who work from home or work for call centers. This is a tip from Artistry by Adrienne as well. You want to make sure you take some alcohol and rub your headsets because that's what also contributes to breakouts on your forehead. But yeah, you want to make sure that you, you know, clean your AirPods every day or your headphones. And also, if you work from home, you want to clean, you know, the headband. So what she's doing now, she's about to do the Ultra Hydrating Enzyme Mask. Look at her showing y'all the product. It's her showing y'all the product for me. Baby was getting into her YouTube kikis, okay? But she is using the Ultra Hydrating Enzyme Mask that exfoliates and detoxifies my skin. And as it boosts my cellular renewal. Honey, it's all about aging with grace, getting finer with time. So it's packed with like hydrating botanicals and antioxidants. And this also helps to energize my skin and instantly moisturize, firms, dries, and dehydrates my skin, baby. So she is putting that on there. She is lathering that thing up, you know. And I just appreciate how thorough she is. She doesn't miss anything. And this is a really nice process. Now, I will say, although I don't consider facials as being luxury, because at the end of the day, it is part of our self-care. It should be part of your maintenance. You should be building this into your budget. If you can't afford it, you need to figure out, you know, at least try your best to book one appointment to figure out what your skin needs, you know, how to take care of yourself, because this is part of your maintenance. So as she's putting it on, what she's going to do afterwards is she's going to give me a cute little massage, y'all. And this is why I be sleep, because she be pampering you, girl. So while I was mad, she did a massage, and it promotes like, relaxation and increased circulation and metabolism, and increases the product penetration. Okay, look at her, and she's wiping it off of me now. Look at her cleaning my face, baby, getting into it. Getting into it. Get into me. Now, she is wiping me off. Now, look at my baby. She is making sure she leaves no breadcrumbs. That whole enzyme mask gots to be gone. She's not leaving nothing on my face. And I love it. She is just cleaning me up now, honey. Look at her. All up in my nose and everything, honey. Make sure ain't no flakes about to be in this video, okay? She's getting into the kikis. So after she is finishing, wiping me off, she's going to go back in on my face, and she's going to use what's she gonna use, y'all? She gonna use some toners to finish the cleansing process by removing any products that are left on my skin and keep my pH balanced, honey. Yes, your pH is more than about your yoni. Your pH is about your whole entire body, baby. It's about your skin. Keeping that thing balanced is what keeps you healthy, keeps you popping, keeps you percolating. So if you don't take nothing from this video, please take the fact that you need to drink some water, okay? And not just regular water. Also incorporate at least 1 glass of alkaline water a day. All of these things help me take care of myself and take care of me, okay? And then she's also going to go in with some serums and some lip treatments to help keep my lips moisturized, because, you don't want to look ashy after you done had a great facial by the great artistry by Adrian, you feel me? But yeah. And also she wants to make sure, I tell y'all, she wanted me to stress this to y'all. Please do not no, she didn't say please do not. What did she say? Let me make sure I say it right. When you use moisturizers, she didn't put sunscreen on me. She wanted me to let y'all know that, because some of y'all estheticians probably going to come across this video and try to play with her. But she didn't put sunscreen on because my appointment was at nighttime. So there was no need for me to have sunscreen on. So if you're wondering when I'm going to say that or when that happened, don't come for my girl, because she's licensed and she's professional, okay? But anyways, it was at nighttime. It was no need for me to have sunscreen because I wasn't going back in the sun. It was night. I think this night, y'all, we had got snowed in too. Honey, the winter has been coming through like a mighty rushing wind, okay? But anyways, after she does that, I did not get this on camera, but this is one of the things that I definitely love about her, because she always has like great little knickknacks and little doodads, which a lot of estheticians that I've went to do not have. She also used a high frequency machine on me that we weren't able to get in this video because y'all, I don't know, the footage just did not come out right. But she used a high frequency on me, which helped, realign my skin as well. And she did my favorite. Look at her putting my lip gloss on. Gloss me up, baby. Gloss me up, girl. But she did use a high frequency machine, and y'all are going to get to see my favorite part of my facials. I absolutely love it. She used the Zap machine, and what this does is it just zaps away any type of fungus that may be lingering if she wasn't able to get it all out, so that way my outbreaks don't come back. And we topped it all off with a little LED therapy, I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Please book with her if you're in the surrounding areas, and I'll see you next time. Love, peace, and chicken grease, babies. Bye.